Hello, in this video, we will look at the find functions. There are four find functions: find, find if, find end, and find first of. Let's look at find. Find is to find this value in the sequence and return the iterator of that value. Find if is to find the first value in the sequence that matches this condition and return the iterator of that value. So let's look at this demo here. We have this is the array, and this is vector, and this is the display them to the cout. Now prompt the user to enter the key. So now we're going to see if this key is in the array. So you can write a find values plus 8 key. If font, this p will not be equal to values plus 8. So here is the position p minus value. Otherwise, it's not a font. Now this is another example to find the key in the vector. If this return iterator is not equal to int vector.end, so this is a font, and the position is iterator minus int vector.begin. Now let's look at find end function. Find end function here has two versions. One is, look here, this is the begin end, and this is the begin to end to. So this is to see if the sequence, the second sequence, begin to, end to, is in the begin one and end one. So if there's a match, I find it. So this, the second one is, this is the iterator, and this is the begin one, and end one, begin to, end two. With this Boolean function f, this is to see if this second sequence is in the, matches the some matches a part of the first sequence with this Boolean value, using this Boolean value for the match. So let's write a test program here. We have this int vector. So this is the created from this array 1. So this is the array 1 plus 8. So here's array 1, and this is array 2, and this is the int vector. So from array 1, display array 1 and int vector. Now let's do a find int. So this is the array 1, and here array 2. So this is this array 2, 361. Yes, 361 is here. The match, this location 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. So that is displayed. So now if you look at this, the position is 4. So let's look at another one here is find int. This is the vector. So here is the array. This is 2 plus 1 plus 3. So that is the array. It's 6, 1. So it's 6, 1 in the, this 6, 1 is here. So that is, here is 5. So now you can see that is, position is 5. 6, 1 is in int vector. Finally, let's look at the find first of. This is to find the first common element in two sequences. We have sequence here, begin, end, begin 1, end 1, begin 2, end 2. See what is the first matching sequence. So this is to use the Boolean function. So we're going to see if there's any, what is the first common element, and return the iterator of that element. So we need to do this is find first off, you have two sequences and to see which one is the first common element in the two sequences. If you don't find it, you're going to return end1. So let's look at this example now. I'm going to have this greater than, so this is the condition to satisfy this is when you use the second one here. Here's the function. So this is the function. You compare this two. So element in first sequence with the element in the second sequence must be true. So then there's a match. So let's look at this is array 1, array 2, and int vector from array 1. So display, and this is the to the output console vector dot int. Now find first off, and this is the first sequence, array 1, and this is the part of the array 2, plus 4, plus 2, plus 4, plus 2 right here, and plus 4, it's right here. So this 2, 30, 21, 3. So 21, 3, and so you're going to compare this 21, 3, and so is there, which is the first common element is 3. So it's right here at the position 2. So that is what you're going to see. It's at the position 2. So this is at position 2. So the next one is we're going to look at the this vector. So here's the vector, the first sequence, and this is the second sequence, but we're using this greater than. So we're going to see everything here. So this is the array 2 plus 2, and array 2 plus 4 is just before 4 is plus 2 plus 3. So that's plus 2 plus 3. So this is the 21, 3. So you're going to see if there's anything here. The first one, that is going to be greater than this. So we find it, it's 7. So 7 is at the position 1. So this is the position 1. That is all for this section on the find functions. See you on the next video.